everyone, let's start our new video. Let's learn to spell garden. G-A-R-D-E-N. Ho ho. G-A-R-D-E-N. Garden. Good job. Let's learn to spell girl. G-I-R-L. Hooray! G-I-R-L. Girl. Perfect. Every day is a chance to learn something new. Goodbye. G-O-O-D-B-Y-E. Ho ho. G-O-O-D-B-Y-E. Goodbye. Fantastic. You are learning perfect. Grass. G-R-A-S-S. Ho ho. G-R-A-S-S. Grass. Outstanding. Good job. Ground. G-R-O-U-N-D. Ho ho. G-R-O-U-N-D. Ground. Perfect. Hand. H-A-N-D. Ho ho. H-A-N-D. Hand. Well done. The more you learn, the more you grow. Head. H-E-A-D. Ho ho. H-E-A-D. Head. Good job. Heel. H-I-L-L. Hooray. H-I-L-L. Fantastic. Heel. Well done. Thank you for watching this video.